In this video, we'll walk through the process of configuring a Prometheus integration in Lightstep Incident Response and adding the generated webhook in Prometheus Alert Manager. To configure the Prometheus integration, click on Integrations in the navigation panel. Click on Prometheus. Provide a name for the integration. Provide the integration URL. Select the service for this integration. In this case, the integration's demo service. Click Generate Webhook. This completes the process of creating the Prometheus integration. To test the Prometheus integration, click on Send Sample Alert. This will send a sample alert with an incident response. The sample alert allows you to view an alert in incident response and test your on-call team setup. Next, under Webhook, click on the copy icon to copy the webhook URL. This URL will be needed for configuring alertmanager.yml in the Prometheus Alert Manager. On the Prometheus instance, open a terminal session. Open the alertmanager.yml file with a text editor. Under Receivers, add a new name, followed by webhook_config, URL, and paste the URL from the Prometheus integration in Lightstep Incident Response. Save the file.
If you aren't using Lightstep Incident Response for your business yet, read more about it and what it can do at lightstep.com/incident-response and sign up for a free trial. Or learn more about how to start using Incident Response by reading the extensive product documentation.